Hi guys, so today I'm going to recreate this look for you all. First off, I'm using a lip balm. I have already moisturized my face. Next I'm using a primer. I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna rub it between my fingers and apply only where I have open pores, so that it be near my nose and on my forehead. Next I'm taking a foundation and I'm going to mix it with a cream highlighter. You can also use a liquid highlighter if you want. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand and I'm going to mix it with the foundation like that. I'm going to apply all over my face and I'm just dotting it all over my face using my fingers. Now using a flat top brush and buffing the foundation into my skin. You can also use a sponge or a beauty blender to do this, but I find a brush better as it gives really nice coverage. Now taking this correcting concealer wheel from Cal, I'm gonna take the brightest yellow shade and I'm going to apply it in my inner corner and under my eye area. This will cancel out any darkness and will give a bright under eye look. Also applying it on the bridge of my nose and on my chin. Blending it with a small brush, but you can also use a sponge or a beauty blender. Now taking the same foundation brush, I am going to blend all the lines that I can see, and this would blend the concealer and the foundation together. Now taking a translucent loose powder, I am going to set the base makeup in place. Now using the same loose powder, I am going to place a generous amount under my eyes before I do my eye makeup, because if there is any kind of fallout, this will catch it and later on we can dust it off. Starting with the eyebrows, I am going to take a dark brown and black eyeshadow on my eyebrow brush, and before that I will brush all my hair upwards with a spoolie and fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows with the same dark brown and black eyeshadow. I am making really small strokes and not making any harsh lines. And next I'm using this palette from Focallure. It is my absolute favorite palette and I'm going to use the shade Give Me Mocha on my crease area. And the brush which I'm using to blend this is from She. All the product details will be in the description. Now taking the shade Pure Nude and I'm going to blend everything in place using a fluffy brush from Real Techniques. And once everything is blended in place, I'm going to take the shade Pinwheel Galaxy from the same palette and apply it on my lid area using my fingers. And as Sara had a little darker shade of pink on her eyelids, I am also going to use the shade Pop of Copper over the same shade. Now taking the shade Chocolate Martini, I am going to take it on a small definer brush and I'm going to apply it over my lashes, and I'm trying to apply it really close to my lashes. And I'm applying whatever's left on my brush on my lower lash line. I'm using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And now I'm going to apply a generous amount of mascara on my eyelashes. As Sara is having a really flushed look on her cheeks, I am going to apply these two shades from the Morphe blush palette, and I am going to apply it on my cheeks. And now using the same powder brush, I am going to dust off all the excess powder which I had under my eyes, and I'm going to blend everything in place. And now coming to the lips, I'm going to line my lips using a dark pink lip liner. I'm going to use this shade as my lip color, as this is the shade that matches exactly with the shade which Sara is wearing. Now taking this lip gloss from Bharat and Dorris, I'm going to apply it all over my lips, as Sara is having a really glossy lip going on. And with this, our very fresh and dewy Sara Ali Khan inspired makeup look is ready. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.